Transferring Amazon gift card balance to PayPal. In today's video, you are going to learn how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to PayPal. So let's get started. First, go to the PayPal and in the upper section, you will see an option that says wallet. You simply have to click on that option and you will be redirected to this screen. From here, you have to click on the option that says link a card or bank. After clicking on that, you will see this option now. You have to click on the option that says direct to bank. It's a link option. After clicking that, link your bank card or account. Now you will be able to see these three options. From these three options, you have to select according to your need. So I will select the option that is debit or credit card. Clicking on debit or credit card, I will enter my card details, and after adding all the card details, I will be able to say this. But the second method is you have to go to the Google and then you have to search for Raise Marketplace. Now you have to go to this website. Now what is Raise Marketplace? Raise Marketplace is actually a website where you guys can see, buy and sell discounted gift cards. So you have to sell your Amazon gift card right there. In return, they will give you some money which you can directly get into your PayPal account. So that's all. These are two methods that you will be able to use to transfer Amazon gift card balance to PayPal. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.